Hey guys, today we're gonna make puppy chow. So we took the ingredients and we put them in there. And then we put all the cereal in here, of course. And in here is peanut butter, and chocolate chips, they call it?
Yes, chocolate chips, and then we put vanilla. And we're gonna microwave it.
What do you mean vanilla?
Vanilla extract. It's just like a flavoring, yeah.
So now we're gonna mix it, and my mom just happened to have a Halloween bowl from Halloween.
I grabbed any bowl, okay?
I know, but did it have to be the Halloween one?
No, it didn't have to be a Halloween one. It's just whatever I had on hand that came first.
I think you need to microwave it a little more.
Yeah, we'll try mixing it. So we're going to keep mixing it, and then we're going to, if it needs more microwaving, we'll microwave it a little bit more as well.
We'll need a microwave.
And
we'll see you in a little bit. So now we're going to dump these into the mixture.
Or you're going to split it. You're going to eyeball it. Open this.
What's eyeball it mean?
Use your eyeball and see, like split it in half. Go hold it open for me. Hold this open for me. Like, just eyeball it. Like, this kind of looks like half. Maybe. Okay.
That's half.
Okay, and then open the other one before it pours out. Oh, open it. It's fine. Penny, you need to open this one. Thank you.
Yeah, that was actually half. Might be
This is called eyeballing it. Meaning
to you. Okay,
what?
put the rest in the other one. You know?
You gonna lick it? Hold on.
I want to lick it.
You gonna lick this whole thing?
No. One.
Oh, hold on. Let me get this part off and here. You hold the thing. And then you seal up the bags.
I love it.
You seal up the bags and then it's time to shake.
We added the powdered sugar. Now we gotta shake it, shake it, shake! Dragon, we're back! And here we have puppy chow, and it's so delicious!
Wow.
Drago can already smell it, and Drago wants to eat it.
Well, I know the bags look horrible, but so
Yes.
Technically you should chill this a little bit.
Yeah, so
to get the chocolate, well, to get it hard so it's not really
and
melty.
still put it in the fridge, because then if it's like this, then it's kind of disgusting, and you will not like it. And you will
just
put a
basically
thumbs down on this video. Please leave a like to this video. I said that really badly.
No, you
And
did
you're
great.
welcome.
You did great. No. So you want to chill it so you get the hard chocolate instead of like mushy, melty
Yeah, so you
chocolate.
put it in the fridge or the freezer, whichever you like.
But that's basically puppy chow. This is what we make every year for Christmas.
Yes, and sometimes I force her not on Christmas just because it's too yummy.
Yeah.
Unless I forget, because sometimes I forget.
Sometimes you forget.
Yeah, this whole year I forgot.
Yeah, I basically eyeball all the ingredients. There's like a basic ingredients list on the back of the rice checks box. I don't know if you can see it, but there. There we go. So that's the basic ingredients list. And I basically eyeball it. I put a little bit more of the chocolate, more peanut butter, more butter. And definitely more powdered sugar.
And my friends at school love it, and they're like, "What's puppy chow?" And they're like, "No, thanks, I don't want that.
It's not
Anything to
real
do
puppy
with a
chow.
puppy."
It's not real puppy chow.
Yeah, and I'm like, "Just try one." But it's so good, Danielle. And all of my friends liked it. No one ever said it was bad before, besides anyone who's allergic to chocolate.
Yeah, if they're allergic to peanuts, please don't feed this to them. It's definitely not
I
peanuts.
didn't give anyone to peanut. Because I didn't give it to Clarice because it has to do with peanut butter.
Yeah. So that's it for this time.
And I mentioned the name on accident.